Hi everyone.
Hello guys, welcome back to another taste test, and this is the third and final flavor, mystery flavor that is, of Marshmallow Peeps. I've already tried flavors 1 and 2. 1 was kind of pleasant, 2 was not, and what will number 3 be? Here it is. I'm making sure that there's nothing on it because in the second flavor video there was something on the Peep that I picked off. It looked like Peep poop, but it was probably something from the factory, like some chocolate or something. Okay, mystery flavor number 3. Here we go. Oh, a little sour. It's also a little fruity. So in the first video, I mentioned that the first mystery flavor Peep was not sour and not fruity, but this one certainly is. And so it's sour something. The fruit is almost like a cherry. So sour cherry? Or maybe it's sour fruit punch. Let's do this. Oh, put the whole thing in my mouth. I'm going with sour cherry as my guess. And to tell you the truth, even though it's a bit sour, I actually like this flavor better than the other two. This one's the best, number 1 was second, and certainly number 2 was the worst. So my guess for number 3 is sour cherry. But again, it could be sour fruit punch, but I don't know. My guess, of course, is sour cherry. Alright, I tried all the mystery flavors. I'm done. I did it. So that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Take care.